From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
As of the time I'm recording this late on this Wednesday evening, we still have a winter storm watch across southern Middle Tennessee and North Alabama, valid until 6 a.m. Saturday. However, we have already gotten word from the National Weather Service earlier this afternoon that during the pre-dawn forecast package coming overnight, this will be upgraded to a winter storm warning here across southern Middle Tennessee and North Alabama. That will be before Ben Luna's morning shows ever air on our channel here, so that will be happening during the early morning. Once we get the upgrade to a warning, we will be posting that on our social media platforms, and then Ben Luna will be here live in the studio with a live update tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. in addition to his pre-recorded forecast coming up at 4 a.m. But it already has been upgraded to a winter storm warning as far east as Hardin County, Tennessee, and Tishomingo County, Mississippi. They just have an earlier start time than we do. That's how that works out. But those are counties in our viewing area. The rest of us will be upgraded to a warning during the overnight. Timing here, Friday and Friday night for the main impacts. Travel impacts from accumulating snow, sleet, freezing rain happening before sunrise Friday morning, then continuing through the day. Widespread heavy snow for much of the region. In the main banding that we will talk about in a moment, 4 to 7 inches of heavy snow with isolated heavier totals possible. Near and south of the Tennessee River, a wintry mix possible in the afternoon of some sleet and freezing rain. That will cut snow totals a little bit south of the Tennessee River in North Alabama, but that will not improve travel too much at all because of icy conditions being possible. Widespread travel impacts area-wide likely, the worst of it, starting before sunrise Friday morning, carrying through Friday night, and at least spotty travel impacts maybe into the weekend. Forecast here for tonight, mid to upper teens across the area, with mostly clear skies. Sunny for the first half of our Thursday, but clouds increasing by the afternoon. Daytime highs only in the mid to upper 30s across the region. We'll watch to see if these may be a degree or two too warm. That's been the case all week so far, whether we've had sun or whether we've had clouds. Current projections across the area, 4 to 7 inches of snow across all of southern Middle Tennessee, down into Lauderdale, Colbert, far northern Lawrence, and the northern half of Limestone County in North Alabama, back into Tishomingo County, Mississippi. We'll watch to see if that line waffles a little bit, but for now, that looks like good placement. Somewhere in here, totals could be a little heavier than that, however, but we won't be able to pinpoint that until the snow bands actually start to set up on radar early Friday morning. Once you get south of that line, it's going to be a really tight gradient where we drop off from 4+ inches of snow down to 1 to 3 very quickly here. So be aware it's going to be a tight gradient south of the Tennessee River, but this is where some icing will mix in, maybe up to 0.15 of an inch here south of the Tennessee River. Not major icing by any means, but enough to still cause hazardous travel in addition to a couple of inches of snow on top of that. Widespread impacts from snow, sleet, freezing rain, travel impacts are likely. And unlike last January with that winter storm with a powdery snow because temperatures were colder, snow this time is going to be happening with temperatures around 31, 32 degrees. The snow is going to be much wetter and it's going to be heavier. So in areas that get 5, 6+ inches of snow, we may have to watch out for a few power outages. We'll certainly be keeping an eye on that. So snow moving in after midnight tomorrow night, clouds increasing after morning sunshine, and then a full-blown winter storm here for Friday and the Friday evening, lingering flurries in the Saturday, and then we clear out going into next week. Temperatures staying on the cold side, though, highs in the upper 30s, lows in the lower 20s to upper teens. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna will be back at 4 a.m. with your wake-up pre-recorded weather, and then he'll be here live at 7 a.m. with a full forecast update on the winter storm.